We're at a new park. I got the suggestion that I should be showing my controller more, so I will do that. You see it just like that? Okay. Okay, that's the DJI mic. Okay, let's get going. Today we're at a new park. I'm just trying to not get too comfortable with the same environment, so I'm exploring new places. I've actually never been to this park before. I don't even know what it's called, but I thought it would be cool to explore. Um, I'm not practicing anything specific here. I am just trying to get a feel for being in different environments. So that's today's goal with this video. I'm just trying to get better. I don't see anyone here. I don't want to get too close to the playground so that if there's kids there. No one on those benches. No one on this playground set that I see. I hear some people. There's some people right there on the basket. Oh, there's a basketball court. Okay. Just try to follow this sidewalk. 4 feet, 6 feet off the ground. Let's break right here. That was one thing I actually learned. So this is like a emergency brake. I guess that's kind of handy. But let's put in sports mode. Right now I'm at like 36 miles per hour. I really need to figure out how to record to the goggles. I haven't put a micro SD card in here, but I don't know, it's giving me an error, so can't be too bothered by that. Cruising at like 13 miles per hour. Okay. I definitely don't see anyone at the playground, but I'm just gonna try to keep on this path. I like how it's curvy, so it's kind of like definitely a good practice to stay on a certain path. 5 feet off the ground. Oh, there's someone right there, so let me go away from them. Woo! Nosedive. Just at 20 miles per hour. Go through the trees. Somewhere right there. Oh yeah, there I am. Yeah, I think I'm ready for that manual controller, the FPV one. I was kind of scared to order alongside. This is the first time I'm actually doing FPV. This is like day 3. Just gotta check on that battery health. We got 50%, about 9 minutes remaining. And that's another thing. I think it was advertised at like being good for like 23 minutes or so. And it's been pretty accurate. I mean, obviously it depends on how fast you're going and wind speeds. Today the wind is kind of aggressive. Let's try to like go through these monkey bars. Oh shoot. Woo! I was really close to that bar. At least I think I was. I actually don't really know. Let's go into the swing set. Nice. Hear that? There's some people right there. Okay. We're starting. A few extra people are coming. I'm just gonna land it. It's getting a little crowded here. We went from like maybe one person being here to like a whole bunch. All right. Thanks for watching.